Hello guys, this is Hello guys, this is Samuel the G. As requested by Collin and Cullen. Collin L and Cullen L. They requested that I eat some pretzels. I don't have like the German looking pretzels you see at German Fest. For those who don't know, German Fest is like this German heritage festival we have here in Louisiana. It's in a tiny little town or community called Roberts Cove. No. I'm not gonna be eating the whole bag, just a few. And like for the amount of pretzels I eat, I have to give out like that number of shout outs. It's crisp. It's salty. And it tastes like pretzel. You know what, I don't care about how much shoutouts I give. I give like, you know, how much shoutouts I want, you know. I'll give y'all some sunlight. Ugh. Pretty nice. Sorry for that last part. Alright, I'm gonna try one more because he tastes a little burnt. Alright. Now it's time for the shoutouts. Collin L. Side note, Collin and Cullen don't have the same last name. Alright, where was I? Oh, yes. Avery B. Mr. Arwin. Coach Brooke. Jake, which is Mr. Arwin's son. Mr. Arwin's daughter. Her boyfriend. Coach Brooke. Coach Henderson. And Miss Ella. Those are all the shoutouts I have to give for this video. By the way, Jake's a high school freshman. Like, Mr. Arwin is the disciplinarian of our school. I'm not going to name this school. I'm not going to give out the name of the school for purposes. But, yeah, he's our disciplinarian. And, he has a son named Jake. And I met him today. He's a good man. Alright, those are all the shoutouts I have to give out for today. Oh, I forgot to give out two. I forgot to give out some. Colin Fontenot, Genesis A, Kenley R, Waylon Lejean. The homie, the dude who posted one of my videos on TikTok. Go follow him on TikTok. Oh, by the way, you can also find me at Reddit, Pinterest, Fandom, and DeviantArt. Yeah, that's all I have to say for today. Oh, I was gonna say something, never mind. That's all I have to say for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And stay poppin'. I'll see you later. Got a goofy arm.